So we have a problem solving for drying. Number one, given x1 is 60%, x2 is 5%, so required are original products, final product, and bone dry material. So for our original product, we have formula of x1 equals 0.6 over 0.4, and we will have a 1.5 pound per pound of original product. And for water final product, we have x2, which is 0.05 over 0.95. We will have a 0.0526 pound water per pound. And for 0.4 pounds of solid, we have a WR equals to 0.40 times 1.5 minus 0.0526 equals to 0.579 pound water per pound. And for RB, which is final product, we have a 0.25 pound of solid. So formula WR equals 0.95 multiplied by 1.5 minus 0.0526, and we will have a 1.375 pound water per pound of final product. And for RC, for 1 pound of bone dry material, we have WR plus 1 times 1.5 minus 0.0526, and we have a bone dry material of 1.45 pound water per pound.